I'm proud to be at the show flat at Daintree, located at the Upper Bukit Timah. You know, Upper Bukit Timah is surrounded by nature, and for this particular development, it is indeed an architectural masterpiece with the concept of lush side of life. The developers have taken pains in terms of the details. You not only get quality finishings like marbles and all other options being thrown in. Daintree Residence by a renowned, award-winning developer, Citya. In fact, it gives you a development in an area of more than 200,000 square feet. One of the key things here is this: today when you look in the market, you have huge opportunities and choices spoiled when coming to selecting a particular investment. Why do I want to stress upon Daintree Residence have got many qualities that you cannot ignore? First and foremost, RCR, which means Reservoir Central Region, and that's important. In any investment, location matters. And point number two here is this: the proximity to MRT, and we are talking about exactly 6 minutes, maybe even less, about 550 meters of walking distance. That's a huge plus point. And look at it, in today, most of the developments comes with huge number of units. In fact, there are many mega development of more than 1,000 units. What's so unique about Daintree Residence? If you look at it in terms of its lush side of life with 2 wings, and named as Valley Wing and Rainforest Wing, comes with 2 separate pools and a treetop experience of connectivity of 35,000 square feet, and all these things exclusive only for 327 investors or homeowners. That's why I think it is something that is very seldom you come across in Singapore, whereby it is all about buildings and concrete, but you have the opportunity of owning an investment right smack in RCR, an enclave of a commercial hub, and as well as nature. And the RCR properties today are calling for in the tune of $2,000 per square foot and more. Look at it on the various land bids. Some of the recent land bids, even the outlying areas, all cross more than $1,000. Therefore, when I look at the real estate market in general, we are experiencing strong demand, and particularly for Daintree based on its locations and its connectivity. The connections not only within the surrounding of the numerous good schools, Pei Hwa and Bukit Timah Primary School are just within walking distance of 1 kilometer from Daintree Residence. And within the downtown line, we are looking at schools such as Methodist Girls' School, Hwa Chong Institutions, Raffles Girls, National Junior College, Nanyang Girls' High School. Huge number of opportunities. Someone who invests in Daintree, not only the child can go to a primary, secondary, and a good college all within the vicinity. This investment is something not to be missed. Please speak to any of our PropNext salesperson. In fact, I would like to tell you, you don't need to take an emotional decision immediately. All I want you to say here is, come to the show flat, feel the experience, look at the quality the developer is prepared to invest in every singular detail. Look at the layout and the design, and as well as the quality of the furnishings. You will be amazed. That's why Citya, a renowned developer, has tried and made all effort to make this development a masterpiece collection for the select few, not to be missed.